never heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Buongiorno. I'm your host, IK, and welcome to roseandgold.us. And of course, our lovely co-host, Dr. Ross, is in the house.
Hello, everyone.
Let's get into our first hot topic for today with the pumpkin spice red carpets.
Spicy.
Now, Dr. Ross, we have some hots and we have some nots, so we're going to go through all of them in this one list. Our first young lady coming up is Miss Busy Phillips in a Christian Siriano jumpsuit on September 7th. Now, Dr. Ross, what do you think about her? For me, it's a thumbs down, but I don't know, you might have a different opinion.
For me personally, I feel Miss Busy Phillips really put her A game here. She stood out from the rest of the girls, and she came out in a full bodysuit, jumpsuit that's in a fall print. It's a thumbs up for me.
Let's get into our next young lady, that is Rebecca Hall, in a $1,980 Katie dress on August 11th. Now for me, Dr. Ross, she's more simple, but what's your thoughts on this?
Miss Rebecca Ross, or Miss Rebecca, we feel her dress feels worth more than $1,500 because she put it simple but classy.
I might have to rethink my strategy. Let's get into our next young lady, that is Ciara, in a draped Dolce & Gabbana design on August 29th.
Miss Ciara, if you do not know who she is the wife of Mr. Russell, who plays for the Seattle Seahawks. And sadly, I'm going to have to make this a thumbs down.
Thumbs down. Our next young lady is Miss Anna Taylor-Joy, and to me, she's given me no joy from this outfit. But she's in a $1,440 Dice kayak dress on September 5th. What are your thoughts, Dr. Ross?
Miss Anna Joy is going to be a thumbs down from Dr. Ross.
Thumbs down. Our next young lady is Winnie Harlow in a Vivienne Westwood frock on September 1st. Dr. Ross?
Winnie Harlow will also be a thumbs down from me.
Thumbs down here too. Our next young lady is Miss Minnie Driver in a Carolina Herrera midi on August 2nd, and this is going to be a thumbs down. But Dr. Ross, what are your thoughts?
Miss Minnie Driver is going to be a thumbs down for me, respectfully.
Our next red carpet young lady is Kate Beckinsale, and Kate Beckinsale is working it in this outfit.
That's right.
She's in a $2,100 Rosario dress on August 2nd, and this is a definite thumbs up for me.
Thumbs up from Dr. Ross too, because Kate Beckinsale always brings her A game.
Exactly. Our next young lady is Miss Nicola Coughlin in a custom Valentino gown on June 6th, and this is going to be a thumbs down. But Dr. Ross, what do you think?
This will also be a thumbs down from me.
Our next lady is Chrissy Teigen, and before we even go into this, Chrissy Teigen is a thumbs down for me.
Thumbs down for me.
But she's in a Valdrin Satini number on May 2nd.
Scandalous than ever.
Always scandalous. Our next and final young lady, but not the least, is Miss Rachel Brosnan. I'm just going to call you Rachel.
That's right.
But she was in a custom Vivienne Westwood on July 16th, and this is a thumbs up from me. She's working it, Dr. Ross.
That's right. This is also a thumbs up from me because she looks good.
Yes, sir.
Our first hot topic is with Jamie Lee Curtis. I shall read. She says, I go to bed at 6:30 p.m., so for me, night shooting is physically painful. My agents know that if the word night is in the title of the movie, don't bring it to me. Now, Jamie Lee, I'm going to stop you right there, because we all know that you'll wake up if you're getting paid millions of dollars.
That's right. And
watch them take the paycheck away and see how fast you wake up.
Bruh, peep this one. Like, really, peep this one. No more cars. No more $19 cars. No more trolls.
Dr. Ross, I actually want to add in something. The movie Halloween has been going on for decades, the trilogy actually.
That's right.
And I want to say, aren't they all filmed at night?
True, where you scream and you run around and chase a guy with a knife. But if it's too much work for you and it's too painful, I can always hop in and take your place in the Halloween trilogy.
Okay.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Let's get into our next hot topic for today.
For our next hot topic, we're going into Mark Anthony goes public with his new love. So, what are your thoughts, IK, about Mark Anthony and his new love?
You know, Dr. Ross, he has someone new to love, but I still feel that he's not going to be over the J.Lo.
Doing the people. Oh! Somebody, oh! He needs some milk!
Dr. Ross, I'm going to shed some light on this hot topic. With, first of all, Mark Anthony, you've been dogged out.
That's right.
So right now, you've effed up. It's too late to come back and try to do something now, because you've been put down. You should have dogged J.Lo out. You should have grabbed her by the back of the head and asked her to make you some pancakes.
That's right, and even the magazines know it. J.Lo is on the magazine with Ben Affleck on the front cover.
You know what, Dr. Ross, speaking about that, here's J.Lo and Ben right now.
Exactly, in big pictures. And Mark Anthony and his new girlfriend, you guys look amazing together. But the picture that they put for you all is this big. So extremely small.
It's too late now, Mark Anthony. The last time we saw you was in that In the Heights movie, which I don't think made any sales. And Mark Anthony, you still look bad in that too.
Exactly. They made you play a drug addict in the role, and that's all we're going to have to say about that.
Let's get into our final hot topic for today with Lizzo. So Lizzo was out wearing this at one of her concerts. And I want to say to all the women out there and the young ladies, if you don't have the body for this, don't wear it, because it does not fit.
That is right.
Yo, Obama, where is my clothes?
There's your clothes.
But these were all of our hot topics for today, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. But for Kylie Jenner, that's for you.
Wendy, we'll see you when you come back on your show. If you do.
Actually, you know what? We were hearing that Wendy's not going to be coming back, so we're taking that spot.
That's right.
We're out.